Yeah, so imagine someone took your phone, your mom took your phone, or someone took your phone to take a picture or like browse the internet. So you'll be wondering what the person could do with a phone, like where he would be after us. Yeah, you love your privacy. That's why I got you. So in this video, I'll be teaching you a step-to-step tutorial on how to monitor your phone activity, even when you are not around. This is Wotech, and here we give you free AI tools, tech skills, and all about IT.
Even if I give my phone, I'll know everything that is happening on my phone. Wait, what? What the fuck? Every activity will be listed on my Google Sheet. Let me show you the trick. Go to bit.ly/silentwatcher. Click here to create new Google Sheet. Give it any name. Right here, time and activity. Click extensions and then app script. Remove this code. Now copy this code from the guide. Paste it here, click on save and then run it. Review the permissions. Select your account. Click advanced. Click go to untitled project. Don't worry, you're giving this permission to your own account. Continue. Now you should see execution completed message. Now select new deployment. Click on settings and then web app. Select anyone from this list and then click deploy. Now copy this URL. We did all these steps to get the access of this Google Sheet. Now open Play Store and download MacroDroid app. Open it and then go to templates. Search for Silent Watcher. Open it. Tap on add button to download it. Now go back and tap on macros. Open Silent Watcher. Tap on local variable. Tap on Google Sheet link. Now paste your Google Sheet link here. Tap on OK and then save it. You can see that Google Sheet is already showing the activity of my phone. Everything I do will be there. You can open that Google Sheet anywhere to see your activity. Now don't forget to follow me if you want to learn next level stuff like this.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more.